installation of Anaconda, you need to write it down. Install Anaconda. Okay, then click on the second link, individual edition Anaconda. Just scroll it down, click on install Anaconda. I am having Windows and 64-bit. Okay, if you have a 32-bit, you can choose 32-bit. Just click on 64-bit. Okay, if you have a Mac OS, you have to choose this. Okay, after installing, just click on the setup.exe file. Okay, next, I agree. Then choose the install for, if you have to just choose just me or all user, it is up to you. Then next choose the path. Okay, I am having already Anaconda, that is why it will showing me, right? So you just need to take care about the thing that after installation you need to check this checkbox. Okay, it is for add Anaconda 3 to the system path environment. After installing the Anaconda, you just need to open the Anaconda, type Anaconda, open. Okay, basically we do the Python programming in Jupyter Notebook, so we need to open that also. Okay, Anaconda have the several tools in that, right? You need to just launch the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, click on that. By default, you can choose any browser. I am choosing this Google Chrome. Click OK. Okay, so this is my home page. Okay, if I want to choose a new file, okay, I have to go in the new, then I have to click on Python 3. So this is my new file. Yes, here it is. We can change the file name. To click over here, enter a notebook name, and you can change that